we will learn how to add a new product to Inventorypro. You can add products in two ways. One manually adds them. Another is to import them via Excel or CSV format. Adding new products in Inventorypro is simple. First, go Products drop-down and then click Add Products. Here we need to fill the fields with product info. Let's give a name for our new product. You can leave the SKU field empty as our software will automatically generate a unique one. Or else, add your own SKU. Select product unit, brand, and category. If you want to get a quantity alert for this product, then add the quantity number. In this area, you can add your product description briefly. Also, uploads image if you need them. In the final step, we need to fill in the pricing section. Let's add the default purchase price with int tax. Oh, make sure you select the selling price's tax type like int tax or x tax. Now add our default selling price. Now you can see a profit margin too. Now you can save it or also save with an opening stock or just save and add another product. After saving the product, you should redirect to the products list page where you can see all of your products. That's all. Hope you enjoy this video.